So my cassavas are here. They are not that much, but as you can see, our cassava is in this color. First of all, I'm removing the outer cover, doing like this. The reason as to why I'm removing this cover is because I want to remain with this one, the inner one, the second cover, so that I'll extract it, dry it, sun dry it, then mix with maybe millet, what else? Sorghum, maize, then we will get healthy porridge, maybe. Yeah, mostly we mix cassava in the porridge flour. So that's why I have to remove this outer cover before I remove the second one, then get my cassava ready for boiling, then eating. So this is how I'm removing the outer cover. Bring here, bring closer. Can be see? Can you see? Okay. Yeah, this is how I'm doing it. So guys, let me show you. I won't finish the whole, cut it like 2 3. Next I'm going to show you how we are removing the second cover. So ama niweke kwa sufuria pamoja.
Kioko ruzi, weka.
Hivi zote pamoja.
Weka.
Yeah. So guys, you see, this is how we are peeling it. So this, bring closer. So this is what we want to go, dry, sun dry. Then we shall take it to the posho mill. And this is how our cassava looks like. So clean. So
it's ready to be cooked.
Yes. So I'll just place them.
Ngamo de ngaki wa chungu. Sawa. Unaona hapo ni mata kweli. Sukuma.
Hey, Mayo. I don't know whether you can see at the far end, there's a lady who has brought Mama some vegetables to buy. So here at home, sometimes you can just sit like this and someone drops with maybe a banana, with different types of fruits and different, and also different types of vegetables. Yeah, it's like that. Trading goes on even at home. Like anything, you have anything you want to sell, to exchange, just pack your things and move from home to home, sell, then yeah, you exchange. Murenda? Awato Murenda? Yeah, so guys, we are doing some trading here. As you can see, some vegetables has been brought here at home for us to buy. And she has even some bananas. And what else do you have? Yeah, you want anything, you buy, you get it here. Yeah, let's do some trading.
Mtu akiangua asikuchome sana. Nachukua hii.
Yes, they are doing some negotiation.
Mia.
Nchira mnaku.
Hii kama kwa
You see guys, what I was telling you, even at home, maybe someone has something they want to sell, they can just pack them, take them from home to home, then do some trading. Elinidio kuyeka?
Unampata?
Nimekuwekea tatu nyongeza juu hata mimi nilianguka. Nimekuwekea tatu nyongeza na wewe upate kitu kidogo.
Itimaiti. Yeah. Yeah, guys, back to our business. Whatever. Yeah, you see, guys. Now this one I can pick them, air them, okay, sun dry them. Then for our cassavas, yeah, you can choose to separate it like that. You open up the cassava, then you remove the root, okay, the vein, the root or whatever that is running through inside the cassava, so that when it's ready, it's just eating. Banyi ikirongo uri kuma tingiye kuba. Kuma iti bangure. Ando bose na. our breakfast is ready. They are here ready. And as from here, you can decide to deep fry your cassava. Yeah, you can pimp your cassava as much as you want. But for us, we just chose to boil, then take it with it as it is. Yeah. So guys, ready to be taken for breakfast. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let me see. Let me taste the right one.